What's up everyone, it's Jaquil, your guide to living with Apple every day, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to VPN to Japan to get more anime on your Netflix. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's how to VPN your iPhone to watch different shows on Netflix that you can't get in your home country. For example, we're going to go to Netflix in America. And just to show you, in the American Netflix, Jujutsu Kaisen only has one season. You see, you can't press season 2. But, so I use NordVPN. The link to NordVPN will be in the description below. You can use my affiliate link at no extra cost to you. I think there's some extra benefits. You want to VPN to Japan, and now it's saying that the IP, the Wi-Fi is coming from Japan instead of the signal. So I'm going to X out of Netflix. I'm going to go into Netflix again while VPNing Japan. And just so you see VPN is active. VPN right there is saying that it's active and in Japan. And now we're going to go to Jujutsu Kaisen. Jujutsu Kaisen. And you can see that I now have more than season 1. I now have season 2 Jujutsu Kaisen, all episodes, all the way through to the end. So that is one way for you to get more anime out of Netflix instead of buying a Crunchyroll account. But the VPN costs money as well. Let's say you want to watch more British shows or more Norwegian shows or any show from a specific country, having a VPN helps. I'm honestly curious if Dragon Ball. Yay, the original Dragon Ball is on here. Last day to watch on Netflix, December 31st. That's BS. America, Dragon Ball does not exist. So if you do VPN to Japan, you will get a lot more anime choices than what's available in Netflix America.
Real quick, I forgot to mention that VPN stands for Virtual Protocol Network. You basically are hotspotting your phone. Basically, instead of acting like it's from America, if you're watching this from America, it jumps through a bunch of other different Wi-Fi spots across the world, and it acts as if your internet connection is coming out of Japan. So when you go to certain websites or go to certain apps, it reads as if it's coming from Japan. And if you want to watch more Norwegian shows on your streaming apps, you, for example, VPN to Norway, and your phone, your apps, your Wi-Fi, everything's going to pick up as if it's coming from Norway. It does think, oh, you're a Norwegian citizen, or you're in Norway, have access to all these Norwegian shows. It, to my understanding, also works the same for British shows, Thai shows, any country you want where you want more of those shows, VPN to that specific country. Test it out, let me know in the comments if it works.
If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more iPhone tips. See you in the next video. Peace.